All right, guys, back with another video. Yes, but this video is going to be about the organization of my craft room. Yes, first of all, I'm going to give an honor to God, who's the head of my life. Without him, none of this is possible. And I hope you guys out there is blessed. So, what you are looking at, like I said, this is just an overview. I'm going to start over here where I have my dryer. My dryer is in my craft room because I have nowhere else to put it. Like I said, I am in a small, little apartment, but I did have an extra bedroom after my daughter moved out. So basically, what, 2 or 3 months ago, I showed you guys a overview when I moved in here. It was a very quick one. So I wanted to come back and show you guys what I have moved around and try to organize. So right here, we're going to start right here. This right here is just a bunch of boards, just basically boards, papers, stuff that maybe I will use in the future. Now down here where you see the Clorox wipes at, those are my needles, my bobbins, my thread, all of that good stuff like that. And way down there at the bottom is my crepe paper and tape. Then my trash can sits right there, which you see my chair right here where that gold pillow at down there. That's where all of my material is at. I try to really stay organized because if I am unorganized, I will be a mess. So in all of these little drawers here, I got this from Michael's, and I do want to invest in 2 more. My daughter did that diamond painting on the wall, so I am going to DIY a frame and put around that right there. So I just have my Sephora bag up there with little stuff in that. Each drawer contains a lot of junk journal supplies. This one up top, basically you can kind of see through it. It have all of my threads that I do sew my journals with. This one, that's all my lace. This one, stencils, words, stuff like that. That one is chipboard, stuff like that. This one is all of my stamps. And this one, washi tape, folds of washi tape. Let's see, more words, stuff that I use, cut out of magazines and everything. Same here. Let's see. Oh, that's just, I call this my junk drawer, where all my little things that I throw in there. And this right here is where all my tools are at, right there. So here on the side, as I'm working on journals, I would set them right there. Little containers of just bits and bops. Put all my roses back there. My brushes, all my glue, well, my Mod Podge glue and everything back there. Right up here. Now, I did not organize that just yet. Basically, here is where all my paints and little bits and bops at right there. More washi tape and glue. So, turn it around here. Let's go back down. I have that little container there where I keep all my scissors at. And that is sitting on a Lazy Susan-like little pins in the window like that, and just a light sometime when I need extra light. I love that little light thing. So here, what you're seeing in front of you, which I'm going to have to go back and buy some more of these. I think these came in handy. So right here sitting on top is all my inks and whatnot, and then right there my ribbons, and my glue caddy is right there with all my different glues, my coffee dye spray, and little bits and bops, more glue, and carrying on like that. That is another little drawer set I used to use for my makeup. Now I put little things in it. Let's start right here. This right here is where I hold all of my, let's move this out the way. Where I hold a lot of my glue at, more glue sticks. pens. These little drawers come in so much, so handy, guys. Just the little bits and bops that I have. Let me see, can I get right here? Though these are just stencils I have in that one. Nothing in that one. And I put those, my little puffs I made, I put those right there. Now, over here, like I say, I have some little diamond thingies in here. My hand lotion, just some more glue. These right here is just little, my wax seals I put in that little box there. This can come right there. And this is my little thing with just little hardware in there. More glue. Now all of this right here, guys, this is all of my paint right here. I just shake it up when I'm ready to spray some paper. I shake this up and lace plastic on my table and spray some of my paper. Like I said, that is my glue caddy up there. Yep, I used to use that for my brushes for makeup, but now that I'm not doing makeup videos anymore, I just use it for a glue caddy. Now right here, this is a thing of just scraps right there. Now this right here, these little bitty drawers, is where I hold a lot of, you know, my buttons, just a lot of stuff, my charms, just little bits and bobs. This one is full, that's the flowers there. Book corners. See some stickers, that one, nothing in that one, and oh, little brushes. Okay, now up here that I got pinned on the wall, those are magazine pages, little special pages that I would use for my journals, book covers and stuff like that. I have them put up here because a lot of this is that's like cork board, little stuff that I can make tags out of. Right here, let me move this out the way, my little scrap thing. Here's where I put all my vellum at, up here. Let me see, what else? Yeah, with some folders there. And just little bits and bobs, tabs and things that I have there. Put my scrap bucket back up here. I got to sit there. So just a little decoration on the wall over there. Now over here used to be my makeup. So basically what I did, I kind of got rid of all my makeup. I still have some, but you know, I got rid of quite a bit of them. So up there on top, just little things up there. My different books. I put all my paper pads up there. My bag of cotton. Some book pages way on the right side on the end. Those are where all my book pages go. Material, just little stuff. You know, it's basically holding all of my guide paper, doilies, computer paper, napkins, all that good stuff, and more material. Now here, I have sitting down here, right here, these are bits and pieces of little material that I do not throw away. I just put them in there. Now, what I don't do is just hoard a whole lot of stuff. When I see everything is getting full, I start getting rid of a lot of things. Because like I said, it's just paper here. So this is another little basket that is just holding little stuff like a piece of material. Now this right here, I used to put my makeup in here and, you know, carry it around when I go do people makeup. I love this little box, but now I uses it for just unlock the top part. When I make all my tags, I put them all right there. So I kind of know where everything is at. I try, like I said, try to stay organized. Some paint back there in the corner, my paint book. Now over here, that's makeup in there. This is something from DIYs. Now here, I got these little boxes at Dollar General that I started organize. These are more tags and stuff, you know, that I would put in there. Let me get the other one out here. This one right here, that's where all of my die cuts and stuff is at, you know, just full of it. Yes, fill that up. Let me see. One more, because I know ain't nothing in the last box back there. These little boxes, guys, was like $2 and $3. So, and just more craft stuff. So, yes, I don't have nothing at the bottom one right now, so we're gonna, believe me, I'll figure it out because I'm looking, you know, need space. Now, over here is where I have all my ribbons at for right now, because what I'm gonna do with this space right here, the thing that I showed you guys that I got from Michaels, I want to get 2 more of those drawers, set them up here, and then I can put my ribbons and everything in those little drawers. Like I say, right now I'm going for space, because as I, you know, buy stuff or go to the dollar store, you come up, you buy all this stuff, and then you don't have nowhere to put it. Yeah, I was looking at that. I was like, no, I gotta make storage here. Now up under here, I still have to go through that because I'm gonna go to Walmart and get a one of those little short dresser things. This plastic and it have drawers on it. I want to buy one of those, set up under my table, and then I'm going to organize that. Those are still all my boxes down there that I use for making junk journals. I have my glue stick right here. I just cleaned this out. This is where I would put all my lace pieces at right there. Now, that down there, that's just more scrap material down there. And right here where I sat at, I put this little stand right here. That's my scrap bin right there. More scraps. I have, what, 1, 2, I think 2 or 3 scrap bins. That's all I need. Any more than that, I just start throwing it away. My cutter in one of the journals that I am working on right now. And my chair right there. And let's go back up. Let me show you an overview of what I am doing here. I think the organization is coming along really, really good. Now, I do want to get some more of those drawers there. I want to get like 3, 5 more of those, you know, so I can stack them on top of each other. And all of that stuff that is sitting up on top of that, I can have my inks in one, you know, my little lace pieces in another one. Just, you know, everything will be nothing but drawers up there. And it'll keep everything nice and neat. And, yeah, I would like that. And like I said, over here would be 2 more things I'm going to buy from Michaels. And I want to get 2 of those plastic drawer things. I want to get 1 for here and basically 1 for right here. Right here where I have that sitting at right there. So that way I can get all of this stuff, put them in drawers, label the drawers, and then I will know exactly where everything is at. So, I hope you guys liked the video. You know, I went over it because I hate having a junky craft room. That does really get to me. So, I'm really liking the way I have it set up. Now, I just have to purchase some storage. And once I do that, I believe everything will be all right, guys. Yes. So, keep your head up, guys. Keep the faith. And you guys stay safe out there. And I will see you in my next video. You guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye-bye.